X-Men Origins, Wolverine Wade Wilson bullet split. Spider-Man grenade dodge. Kingsman, the Secret Service head explosion finale. Kingsman, the Secret Service head explosion finale. Superman returns shot in the eye. Superman returns shot in the eye. V for Vendetta final fight. V for Vendetta final fight. Matrix Reloaded truck crash. Matrix Reloaded truck crash. Wanted F***CKU. Wanted F***CKU. Watchmen, the comedian's last quote. Zack Snyder is definitely known for favoring the slow-mo technique in cinematography. And when it comes to scenes like this, it's easy to see why. Using Alan Moore's graphic novel as a storyboard for this feature, in the first act, we see the comedian being thrown through his apartment window to his fate. The slow-mo shot of the glass bursting around him looks like it actually belongs in the panel of a comic book. The Matrix bullet dodge. Matrix was a movie that revolutionized film in many ways, but especially with its special effects. Slow-mo action-packed scenes happening throughout the picture from the get-go. It's hard to believe that by the third act there'd still be room for any more surprising jaw-dropping visuals. But this scene does just that, so much so that scenes of a similar style in other movies are referred to as using the bullet time effect from this point on. Guardians of the Galaxy Vol. 2 Yondu arrow scene. Having already caught a glimpse of the damage his whistle-controlled arrow can cause in the first installment, we may have known what was to follow when Yondu was reunited with his new fin similar to that of his comic book counterpart, but certainly not the magnitude that followed in this scene, and thanks to slow-mo, as his enemies fall around him like droplets of rain to come a little bit closer by Jay and the Americans, you can't help but feel uplifted. Deadpool opening credits. Combining action and comedy from the get-go in these visually stunning opening credits, we pan around the interior of the carnage inside a rolling car, which we slowly begin to realize Deadpool is the cause of. We then see obvious comedic gags like a crotch to the face, as well as subtle gags in the form of parodied credits, along with Wade Wilson's fourth wall-breaking comedy gold, making jokes about Ryan Reynolds and his Green Lantern blunder. Fun fact, the song Just Call Me Angel by Juice Newton playing in this opening scene also accompanied the short Deadpool film, which assisted in getting this feature length made. X-Men, Days of Future Past the Time in a Bottle scene. Quicksilver in 20th Century Fox's universe is slightly quicker than his Marvel Studios counterpart, to the point where those around him might as well be statues when he gets going. The scene sees the crew taking fire from the guards after busting Magneto out of confinement. With everyone's powers either down or restricted in some way, Quicksilver thinks on his feet literally. He uses his super speed during a beautiful slow-motion sequence to divert all the bullets away from his comrades and redirects all harm at the guards themselves before they even have a chance to blink.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and liking comment down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.